I need a date night. That sounds so good right now. I've been chasing my goats all day. It was all funny at first, when they would come to me. But now they're making me chase them. I've been chasing my goats all day. I've been chasing my kids all day too. Yelling at them to play nice. Shooing the chickens out of the big piles of leaves that I just raked. I have the dog laying on me right now. Does it get any better? Yeah, it does. Birdie had a complete meltdown. I still don't know what he was so upset about, but he gracefully put the chair down on the ground, and he would not pick it up. He cried for like 15 minutes saying he couldn't lift the chair up. Oh, and he never did, and so he didn't get his ice cream. I had to bribe him with ice cream. He threw a fit, threw the chair down, and I bribed him with ice cream to pick it back up. That's what kind of day I'm having. But you have fun on your date nights. My time